am I saying? Hold on first. Again, I'm trying to.
Vertical line. A vertical line is a straight line.
You know,
it's a straight line.
What are you saying? You don't know what
a vertical line. A vertical line is a straight line that is just sideways.
Hey.
Then an horizontal line is a line that is straight, like it's up. Your phone, you can use your phone like as an instance. And if your phone is placed like this, it is horizontal. It is placed horizontal way. Then if your phone is placed like this, it is placed in a vertical way. Vertical is left to right. Then horizontal is up to down.
You don't know what you're saying.
I know what I'm saying. Vertical line.
Come again. You say vertical line as well.
I am a designer. I am designer from my own experience.
Look at ChatGPT. Look, let's ask
forget ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI, but they make mistake.
ChatGPT.
Yeah, ChatGPT make mistakes sometimes. ChatGPT is not perfectly right all the time.
Hold on. You know how to argue. You love arguing.
I'm a designer. As my designer. Not be line and shape and they work with. Don't be line and shape they work. Don't be line and shape they use design.
Until listen. Wait. A vertical
you don't understand
it. Hold on. I'm not understanding what you to be a designer. A vertical line is a straight line that goes up and down. Then an horizontal line is a line that goes left. It's also a straight line that goes left and right. You get? If you line down this way, let's just say, if a line is placed up like this, if you place up like this, it is called a horizontal line. Hey.
It is called a horizontal line. That is it is a line, no? Then in shape now. In a shape term now. If a shape is like this, if a shape is like this, more like portrait. Let me use portrait. If a shape is in the portrait way, it is called horizontal. You get left to right, vertical top to down, top to bottom, vertical. Then vertical shape like this.
Hold on. You don't know.
Not be line and shape. Which line and shape? Not be designer. Why?
Designer called designer.
Let me show you something.
Man, see what this guy is saying.
I don't care what the. I might not know. I'm a designer.
Hold on first. I'm trying to tell you that a vertical line is a
this argument, not just.
Hold on first now. I'm trying to tell you that.
Okay, thank God. Explain.
Listen now. You not listen.
Okay, I hear you. Let me hear.
A vertical line is a straight line from up to down. While an horizontal line is also a straight line from left to right. And she's arguing. She's telling me that the horizontal line is up from up to down. While vertical is from sideways, left to right. Just listen to her.
Harry, you know that I'm a designer, right? So we work with shape and shapes and line. That's what we basically work with as a designer. We play a lot of shapes and lines. That's what we work. That's what we use to form whatever cards or whatever thing we design. So I'm speaking from my own term as a designer. I'm speaking because I don't know how you guys are arguing, the argument people are having. But then it's the same word that she said I'm saying, but she's not understanding the placement, how we place it. Like a vertical line is top to down, top and bottom. Then horizontal is left to right. But then if it's placed like this, it's supposed to be straight. If it's placed straight, it is like your phone, for instance. If your phone is placed straight like this, it is called horizontal. Still that left to right. But if you see, it's to this, they measure by these sides. These two sides like this, left to right. Then vertical. If it's placed like this, sideways.
You are confusing
yourself. Okay, let me hear you, Harry Mandy.
You're contradicting something.
Exactly.
If you have your notebook, then you're writing something with, like you will write from your right hand side to
Exactly.
From left right to. I mean, nobody writes from right to left. From
left to right, yes.
That's horizontal. When you write something and you underline, that is horizontal. Then if you want to use a rule, like ruler, to rule, from like you want to rule like serial number, and then from up
to down, yes.
It's vertical.
It's vertical.
Is that what you're arguing?
And that's what we're arguing. Okay, yes. Maybe in you guys' term, but I was just trying to explain to her in design term, because on Figma where we work, do most of our jobs now. If we're designing, that's how we actually express this particular term now. That's like, but you see that it's the same language that we use. Vertical is left to right. Vertical is top to down. And horizontal is left to right. It's the same language of Abi, but then if we are to explain it or if we are to draw it, it is now looking like it's the way we are doing it. It's not looking like we are doing it in another way.
Like I'm tired. You don't
understanding me. Harry.
No, that's what they're trying to say. Not like in design. I tell you, this is a normal like generally vertical is vertical. I don't tell you. Let me tell you, vertical is vertical. Horizontal is a
line and shape.
Let's call. Forget this. Let's call.
Let me call Ima. Let me call Ima now.
She's a designer.
Call your design language. This is the language I'm saying.
Call him.
Horizontal, left to right,
Vertical,
vertical, up to down. But then if you want to actually put it in shape now, this is how it's going to be. How we used to design in design terms.
Forget
This is horizontal. This is a horizontal shape. Like our shape is placed horizontally.
Call Ima, leave the book. Call Ima.
I know. Let's say I use work every day. Let me call Ima. Let me call Ima now. I don't like all this kind of argument. Don't confuse yourself.
Oh, hey.
I tell you something. Don't be confuse yourself. Now my work.
Call Ima.
Yes, that's how we design. Okay, I'm calling Ima. Ima will explain to you guys now. Wait.
Let Ima explain.
Ima will explain to you now.
Yes.
I just pray he picks. I pray.
He repeats in Jesus' name.
May not be saying.
Can you imagine we do blind argumentator?
Ima.
Ima.
There's an argument that is going on now. Please, in design terms, we are designing like how do you explain a vertical line and a horizontal line? Please.
Forget about in the design term. What is horizontal line? What is a vertical line?
Exactly. That should be the question. Okay, a vertical line is if you're drawing a line from up to down, that's from top to bottom.
Exactly.
Then an horizontal line is if you're drawing a line from
Left to right. Exactly. Is that what we are telling her? She's arguing.
But it's the same thing I was saying.
It's not like the same thing.
Did I say horizontal line? Did I say horizontal line is left to right? It's horizontal because in design they taught us that horizontal line is left to right.
In design,
vertical line is top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. I remember our tutor was singing it like a song, like a poem that time. And horizontal line left to right. Horizontal line left to right. But then you know that in Figma, in design term now, if we are designing now, if we want a vertical shape, if we are putting shape in a vertical way, it has to be this sideways. If we bring a portrait shape now and we put it in a vertical way, it is sideways. Like
she's the top design Figma.
I was just speaking to them in design terms. I thought it's design terms they meant. Okay. He said in design terms. That's just how we see. That's how we see it. Okay, that's how we express it. Design.
Okay,
that's how we design.
But we are not talking about design here.
Okay, general.
Yes.
That's not in general now. I was just saying based on my field now because I work with it. You know the shapes and
accept that you are wrong. Accept that you are wrong. You are saying yes. Forget this. Thank you. That's why I said
unfortunately that you are not in my field.
She has been arguing from this. We are not. She has been arguing. I said, okay. She keeps saying
in design terms. That's how it's being expressed. That's how it's being explained. In design terms, you get.
She don't fuck up, but she don't want to admit. No, that she never ever admit. She didn't.
You know everything my colleague dey talk. My colleague say, I for no tell una say in design terms, but una no be designers. I don't know. Say na general terms. I no dey know say na so. I don't know say for general terms, but for design terms, na so we take the job. Because no one day wey I go design, I go call you make you dey see am.
Thank you very much. I want this argument.
What is this? You don't hear the argument.